Hi friends, in this video I am going to share some tips to save your mobile battery life. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. If you find this video useful, try to share this video with your friends. Before going to the video, I want to make you aware of the battery life cycle. Friends, a normal lithium-ion battery is designed to work for an approximate 500 charging and discharging cycle. After this, the phone battery performance starts degrading gradually, resulting in a reduced battery backup time. By properly charging and discharging, we can increase the lifetime of the battery. First tip, always try to charge your phone with the charger you got with the phone, because each charger have different power specification. The charger you get with your phone will have the specifications suitable for your mobile phone. If you try to charge with other chargers, it may damage your battery life. Prefer normal charger rather than turbocharger or fast charger. If you are using the turbocharger, try to avoid charging the whole night. In the case of normal charger, it's okay to charge the whole night. The next tip is, don't let your battery to die. Try to charge your battery before it reaches 20%. Also, it's not necessary to charge your phone up to 100% every time. Charging up to 80% or 85% is enough. It's good for your battery health also. Next tip, try to avoid using the battery draining applications. If you are using any such applications, try to stop the application when you feel heat on the mobile, because heat is an enemy to battery life. If we allow the mobile to heat frequently, it may degrade your mobile battery life. As I said, heat is an enemy to battery life. Try to keep your mobile at a place where normal temperature available. The final tip is, use battery saver which is defaultly available in your phone. Don't try to use any third-party application for battery saving.